redwood trees to subtropical skies, and lofty volcanoes to rock-strewn shores. A song for every mood and every sunrise, and a story or two worth so much more. There's a melody in motion on the highways we explore, through desert winds and canyon walls to every open shore. From Cascade peaks to prairies and quiet little streams, we gather all the voices that still echo in our dreams. These are the songs across America. They are whispered upon the wind, from dusty back roads to skyline lights, where all cross-country journeys begin. They're rising voices, both brave and bold, shining in the sun like the morning dew. These songs across America are calling out to me and you. From the blues of Mississippi to enchanting songs in Santa Fe, folk songs in New England towns that greet the break of day. Steel guitars in Austin, or jazz beneath the French Quarter skies. Each town sings a chapter where our musical spirit never dies. As we walk the haunted fields of Gettysburg or sail Puget Sound, in every place and in every face, a much deeper truth is found. The songs of those who came before us still dance upon the breeze, in lyrics curved like canyon stone, or whispered through the trees. Let every note remind us of the miles that lie ahead, of kindness born in the heartland, and all the words we've said. With every chorus lifted up, let our country find its tune in the harmony of strangers under a white and silver moon. Our project maps this land in verses, in harmonies that rise, telling special stories long forgotten beneath boundless skies. And as these wheels keep turning and the journey soldiers on, our hearts are tied together by the power in every song. These are the songs across America. They are whispered upon the wind, from dusty back roads to skyline lights, where all cross-country journeys begin. They're rising voices, both brave and bold, shining in the sun like the morning dew. These songs across America are calling out to me and you. So come and find your special story along this ever-winding way, and sing the songs that cross America. May they never fade away.